Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best soup tureens with ladles that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Fitz and Floyd Tureen with covering. Fitz and Floyd have designed a beautiful nature-based product with the help of their master artisans. The artisans have tried to bring back the French countryside's culture through their craft in this product. The background is blue with colorful birds, and butterflies have been crafted in the tureen beautifully. The handles look like bird twigs. The Fitz and Floyd Tureen can be great as a gift for someone. Beautiful and functional. The Toulouse Tureen and Ladle features colorful birds, butterflies and delicate floral accents on a pastel blue background. A beautiful bird nestles among a nest of flowers and leaves, serving as a handle on the lid. Realistic twig-shaped handles and trim complete the look. A nature-based designed product, which looks beautiful and can serve your hot and tasty soup. At number 4. Certified International Harvest Gatherings Pumpkin Tureen with Ladle. Certified offers dozens of exciting collections for your enjoyment and selection. Our product development team continues to work with the best designers worldwide to bring you the latest innovative designs. Set a beautiful Thanksgiving table with Certified International's Harvest Gatherings ceramic dinnerware and serveware collection. Designed by Susan Wingett with richly colored pheasants and pumpkins framed by deep teal borders, this collection includes unique white and teal 3D pumpkin accessories such as a soup tureen with ladle, gravy boat, platter, covered soup bowl and an S&P set to serve your family and holiday guests in style. At number 3. Pfaltzgraff Pumpkin Casserole Dish. This pumpkin casserole will add a festive accent to your table or buffet. Perfect for serving stuffing, squash or vegetables, and the lid will keep your second helping as warm as your first. Crafted of stoneware. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours. Covered casserole measures 12-1/4 inch diameter x 9-1/4 inch high and h. Olds 4 to 1/4 quart. A celebration of the abundance that is autumn. Plymouth dinnerware features embossed pumpkins, acorns and ears of corn on a warm, creamy white surface. This pumpkin casserole will add a festive accent to your table or buffet. Perfect for serving stuffing, squash or vegetables, and the lid will keep your second helping as warm as your first. At number 2. Royalalbert Old Country Roses Soup Tureen. Revel in the beauty of vintage flair with the Old Country Roses collection, a tableware set inspired by a quintessentially English country garden with roses in full bloom. A long-standing testament to timeless style and elegant craftsmanship, Old Country Roses originally launched in 1962 and is the epitome of fine English tea ware and world-renowned for being synonymous with Royal Albert. Clusters of red, pink and yellow roses have been designed in flamboyant flair with their striking edges and unique shape, complemented by subtle ruffling and gold gilding. Discover a full service that is sure to strike attention from your guests and create the perfect mood for traditional fare in a modern setting. Finally at number 1. Norpro Porcelain Gravy Sauce Boat with Stand and Candle. Norpro was founded in 1973 with a vision of designing, manufacturing and supplying high-quality kitchenware backed by a commitment to exceed customer expectations. We are consistently at the forefront of product innovation. Traveling worldwide to study trends enables us to create cutting-edge products and introduce our customers to the latest technologies and industry innovations. Our products reflect the utmost in quality and are manufactured with superior materials and craftsmanship. Designed to keep sauces and gravies warm throughout your meal, this classically designed porcelain gravy boat is an elegant addition that fits well with any style of tableware. Features a large loop handle for stability and comfort, and a narrow spout for easy pouring. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.